What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I-blason was kind enough to send me out their Cosmo line of cases for the S24 Ultra. This is a dummy S24 Ultra, but anyways, first let's do, this is the hearts, so we're going to unbox this. And we're going to throw it on the dummy phone and see how it looks. So if you're out there and you're going to be getting an S24 Ultra, this is so you'll know if you want to buy this case or not. But anyways, it tells you to put this on first. So we're going to throw that bad boy in there like so. Just like that. Then it also has that fingerprint outline, because this is where you would scan your fingerprint. And I'm not a fan of that anyway, but this is what it looks like once you get the top on the device. And then you want to put the back on just like so. And this is the look that you're going to get. This will be capable for wireless charging, but I cannot do that because this is only a dummy unit, so it is not real. But you do get buttons seem to be clicky for your power button, volume up and down button. You get nothing on this side. Down here you do get all your cables, cutouts that you're supposed to have. So you do get your USB-C speaker, and this is where your S Pen will be housed. It looks like you should be able to get it out pretty good. On the back here you do get that nice camera cover that I really like, and it also doubles as a kickstand. So if you want to watch YouTube or watch videos, you'll be able to do that. You do not have to worry about placing your phone flat down on the table because this is a two-body case, so you do not have to worry about it getting scratched up because it also has that screen protector inside of there. Overall, this does look nice. You know, get you a nice looking S24 Ultra, and it's clear with hearts, and you will be good to go. But I will now let's move on to the next case. I'm gonna take this one off real quick, and I'm gonna put this one to the side. Just bear with me. Anyways, I'm gonna put this one right there. So now we have the blueprint. So it's gonna be the exact same case, just a different color. Does that say blueprint? No, it says blur print, my bad. So this is blur print. That does look nice, you know, and funky. This is for ladies. You know, you girly girls that want different colors, this is for you. Blur print. So we're pretty much just going to open this up just like so. Take this out of here. Remove this film. There's your screen protector in the inside of there. Get your S24 Ultra and throw it in like so. This is what the front is going to look like. This is what the back looks like without the back housing on. This one is not see-through, as you can see, but you want to make sure everything lines up right. And this is the look that you will get with the blur print. That actually does look nice. Like I said, you don't get anything over here, but you do get access to a lanyard if you're into that kind of thing. Down here, these are what your cutouts are looking like. Your buttons are nice and clicky. Like I said, if you place your phone flat down on the table, no problem, because this is a two-part case with the built-in screen protector. On the back, you do get that camera door, so you don't have to worry about your cameras getting scratched. You just close it up, lay it flat down on the table, and you're good to go. I will make sure I put a link in the description to where you can go pick both of these cases up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.